Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to export your data on the Telegram app for PC. This new update makes the process more straightforward than ever, so let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app launches, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Advanced option. This is where Telegram stores additional tools and features that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Go ahead and click on Advanced. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. This is the feature that allows you to download and store your personal data from Telegram. Click on it to open the export settings. On this page, Telegram will give you options about what kind of data you want to back up. Depending on your needs, you might want to export everything, including chats, photos, and files, or you might narrow it down to just specific items. Once your choices are made, click on Export to begin the process. Depending on how much information you have stored in your account, the export could take a few moments. Telegram will prepare your data for download safely and securely. When the export finishes, you'll see an option labeled Show My Data. Click this, and Telegram will display the folder where your personal backup has been saved. You now have access to all your exported Telegram data right on your computer, ready for reference, storage, or transfer. And that's it. You've now learned how to export your data from the Telegram PC app using the updated method. It's quick, easy, and ensures that you always have a copy of your important information when you need it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to try it out and keep your Telegram information safe and accessible whenever you want.